I'll just say this car just looks like a robot with the mouth and the 2 eyes. But the car is okay. I'm not gonna say it's ugly. It's okay. This nice headlight is not slick. It's just roboty. You have real vents here. The vents here are real. Car doesn't look bad at all. I'm not gonna lie. And then you have 20-inch alloy wheel that looks really nice. I think this is alloy. Yeah, this is alloy. This is not the one that's covered with the plastic. This is it. Nice tire, 20-inch alloy wheel. Coming to the side, we have a camera. Just a small line that stops halfway, and then it continues again and goes all the way to the back. This is your charging port here. Put your charger and whatnot, and then it closes. The back side, honestly, the back side is good as well. You know, your nice Tesla. But the back side just looks regular. Nothing really crazy. A camera, dual motor, a diffuser, a plastic diffuser. The backside is okay, man. I'm not really mad at it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie at all. I'm not mad at it. It's calm. It's chilling. That's basically it for the exterior. If I'm to grade the exterior, I will grade the exterior like a B minus. There's nothing special about it. The trunk is powered, so that's a plus. This is the trunk. You can open this. I don't know how to open it. I'm not even gonna be bothered, man. It can open somehow, but you have trunk space here, like, bro, so much trunk space. You don't have spare tire. I wish they put spare tire in this car to give you like that peace of mind, but honestly, I'm not gonna mind. And you press the button, it puts it down. You have like this kind of ducktail spoiler, but not ducktail spoiler. All right, so taking a look at the interior, we have like soft touch here, suede soft touch, wood. This is real wood. Also, is real wood soft touch, bro. Tesla's interior are good. The vents are embedded in here. Nice leather steering wheel that is heated, not ventilated. It comes to this big ass screen that controls everything in the car. You know, comes to dynamic mode. You can control literally your window, your mirrors, everything. Dynamics. You can change how you want the car to feel. 2 wireless charging pad here. A big ass cubby space here. 2 cup holders, and a big ass cubby space here as well, bro. The interior is minimal, and you have panoramic sunroof. Interior is nice. Let's take a look at the back. So open the door. You just boop boop. Open. It's open. This is my 6-foot driving position, and as you can see, I have okay leg room. Headroom is great. Vents at the back. 2 USB-C ports. 2 back pockets. And how do you open this? 2 cup holders. This is all you get. It's quite comfortable back here. Well, you know, the seats are quite low. They are? Oh, back seats are heated, so bro, that's a plus as well. If I'm to rate the interior, I'll give the interior A minus. Interior is good. I think blind spot is good. Rear view isn't the best. So honestly, I like how the steering wheel feels. Not bad. This isn't the performance, yes? This is not the performance, it's just the regular. Okay. And right now it's on standard. Okay. Good. Okay, I'm just gonna accelerate a bit. Let's see. Okay. Oh, not bad. Instant torque of an electric vehicle. It's nice. The steering wheel feels good. Suspension is decent as well. I'm not mad at it. I like the stocks, man. I'm all for the stocks, not the stuff on the steering wheel. I don't really like that. So, I'm still not used to the regen braking. We're gonna head onto the highway. Let's see how it handles in the curve. Okay. The steering wheel is quite sensitive, honestly. Just put like a bit of input into it and you get a response back. So I'll say it's tuned well. The car rolls a bit, but not crazy. Okay. Instant torque, man. That's what I'm talking about. Just instant torque. Nobody coming. Okay, we're good. Honestly, road noise isn't bad. Yeah, is it bad? Nah, the road noise is okay. It's not bad. I mean, there's not a lot to talk about when it comes to the Tesla Model Y. The car is quite minimal. There's not a lot going on in the car except this like big screen right here that has like literally everything from like controlling the steering wheel to the mirrors. So I don't know, it's just the driving experience of an electric vehicle at this point. The instant torque where you press on the accelerator and it just goes. That's just what it's all about, and you just enjoy the ride. The road noise isn't bad. I'm not really feeling the heated seats right now. I'm gonna give it like a bit of time, but the heated steering wheel is really good. I can feel it already. It's nice. The leather steering wheel also feels really good. on my hand. I also forget about the regen braking, so like I take my leg off the accelerator and it's like I slow down really fast. As I'm getting used to from driving a gas-powered vehicle. The cabin feels quite spacious. I feel like most Teslas, they feel spacious. Yeah, the steering wheel is a tad bit sensitive, man. It's like you just put the slightest of input and it's like, oh, it's moving. There's a slight bit of input and it moves. Sometimes you want it to like move, but not move as sensitive. Oh, it's on one, it's on auto. Okay, it's on auto. That's probably why. It's on auto. Can you put it to Tesla? This is another thing. I have to like ask for Patricia's help to like help me like put the navigation and everything. It's this one 530 because it's quite distracting to like pressing on a screen. Oh, it's started already. It's fine. Yeah, it's started already. So that's just one thing I'll say I don't really like about the Tesla is the fact that like you have this big screen here and then you have to like take your eyes away from the road to try like put your map in, increase your heated seats and stuff. It's not the best in that sense. Like I like what they're doing with the minimal design and stuff of the whole cabin and whatnot, but I just wish they added, you know, a few buttons for like easy access to some things. Overall, the car feels good, I'm not gonna lie. The driving experience is something that will be memorable, especially if you're someone that likes to have fun when you're driving. It's like for an electric vehicle, bro, you press on the gas pedal, it goes, man. It doesn't get better than that. View is good, I'll give you that. View is great in the vehicle. I just forgot about the regen. I removed my leg and then it just stops like really quickly and I wonder why, and then I realized, oh, the regen is actually on. This car is not in any way like a sport vehicle where, you know, it's not going to roll through curves because the suspension is soft. It's not like stiff and rigid where it's not going to roll through curves and whatnot. So hey, lower your expectations when it comes to this car. And we push it again, it's just like instant torque, man. What else do you need? What else do you need? Nothing more. Nothing more. You honestly don't need nothing else. Just get in the car, put your leg on the gas pedal and it goes. It's a fun car for family SUV. Oh yeah, now I feel the heated seats because I tested out the Model 3 and the heated seats in the car were really good, so I was concerned when like I wasn't really feeling the heated seats in this car. I was like, wait, what's going on? But it was set to auto mode, so right now I can feel it really good. Let's see now. I'll take out my eyes off the road, put it in dynamics, change to chill and light. Okay, see if there's a difference. Slow down a bit. Okay, yeah, you can feel the difference in the pedal sensitivity, the gas pedal sensitivity, if you put it in chill compared to standard. In chill mode, it's like it's a bit hesitant, but it still moves. It still moves. Put everything on chill. I've tried everything on standard, and it feels, this is not even the performance version, and then it feels like really it feels crazy. That's the word. It feels crazy, bro. Whoa, the heated seats are good. Yeah, it's like you get into this car and you just feel comfortable, you feel at home. It's like you're going on a drive, you don't really feel the effect of the drive you're driving, man. And you can put it into self-driving if you paid for the self-driving. Let it do the job, you sit down there, be comfortable, just keep your eyes on the road. I'm all about it. And not a lot of road noise as well. Let's see what the sound system is like.
Please don't break my heart, don't tear me apart. I know how it starts.
Like, honestly, like, Teslas, they make good sound system, man. The one on the Model X, the one on the Model 3, like, they are so good already. I don't even need to complain. Let's see. It's like a bit hesitant when you put it in chill mode. The gas pedal was a bit hesitant, so you can notice the clear difference. I don't know about the steering wheel yet. We're going to test that out. As you can see, the screen is like crazy responsive. Like, any menu you press on, it just goes. Tesla has like one of the best car software in the game right now, so no complaints whatsoever about their software. Their software is awesome. So we're about to exit and then we'll test the steering wheel, see how it feels in chill mode as well. I don't think there'll be that much of a difference, but we're gonna see. About to go on the curve, 60 kilometers an hour. Regen, do your thing. Thank you, thank you. There we go. Okay, nice. See. Yeah, a bit. You can feel the difference. It's definitely light, but it's not like that crazy difference where you be like, oh, you can actually notice the difference between standard and like chill. That's what I'm gonna say about the steering wheel. But honestly, the Tesla Model Y is a fun car to drive. I will put it back into standard and standard. I'll put on heavy, the steering wheel. Let's see if there's a difference. I doubt there's gonna be like any real difference though. Alright, so let's see. The difference is quite minimal. You won't really notice as much difference. I don't know. It's heavy, but it's not heavy where it's like, oh, you notice the difference. It's just okay. You just notice the slight difference. But the gas pedal, yeah, the change in tune from chill to standard is there. It's very obvious. But in steering wheel, not really. But overall, the Tesla Model Y, the 2024 Tesla Model Y, suspension is good. You know, it could be a bit more cloudy. Steering wheel is good. You put inputs, you get a response back, tuned really well. I like it. I like that you can change it as well. Even though it's a subtle change, but the subtle change is like what most people need. So I'm all about it as well. Teslas are known to just have great driving experience. You get into the car, it gives you exactly what you want. If you're looking for 2024 Tesla Model Y, you should check it out. It's not going to disappoint. I can tell you that. You get into the car, you're going to enjoy it. It's a fun car to drive, even for family SUVs. It's crazy for you to say that about family SUV, that it's a fun car to drive, but it is a fun car to drive, you know.